Russia stated on Monday that its forces were making advances on several fronts, with recent assaults targeting Ukrainian military facilities and logistical infrastructure. Moscow's defense ministry reported capturing Kolesnikovka in the Kupyansk region, alongside attacks on Ukrainian military airfields, missile production workshops, and drone storage sites. The strikes also targeted fuel depots and logistics hubs. Ukraine, however, countered that its forces were maintaining defensive positions and repelling Russian advances. The Russian Defense Ministry shared footage of Mi-28NM helicopter crews launching air-launched missiles at Ukrainian armed forces personnel and positions near the Kursk border. These helicopter operations represent Russia's strategy to bolster air support for ground troops in contested border areas where heavy fighting continues. In a tactical retrieval operation, Russian forces evacuated a US-made M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle and a Kirpi armored vehicle from a border battlefield in the Kursk region. The evacuation involved engineering reconnaissance to secure personnel safety before the vehicles were moved to a Tula-based repair unit for further inspection and analysis. A Russian Su-34 fighter bomber targeted concentrations of Ukrainian personnel and equipment in the Kursk region. These airstrikes aimed to destabilize Ukrainian formations along the contested border, adding pressure to Ukraine's ground forces struggling to defend strategic positions. A 152 ME self-propelled artillery unit, Mr. S, operated by Russia's DNEPR group, destroyed a camouflaged Ukrainian mortar installation in the Orakhovskoye area. The strike, which detonated the ammunition cache, reflects Moscow's ongoing focus on dismantling Ukrainian artillery defenses across the region. A Russian FPV drone crew from the North Group destroyed a Ukrainian armed forces pickup truck, disrupting personnel rotation efforts. The destruction of the vehicle highlights the increasing role of drone warfare in monitoring and targeting Ukrainian armed forces movements, especially for logistical disruptions. Russian troops operating the TOS-1A Solntsepek thermobaric rocket launcher obliterated Ukrainian personnel shelters in the Kharkov region. The use of incendiary weapons in densely contested zones demonstrates Russia's commitment to seizing and holding key areas. Su-35S fighter pilots practiced providing air cover for bomber and assault aircraft operating along the Kursk border as Moscow ramps up defenses to counter Ukrainian air threats. The Su-35S maneuvers underscore the importance of air superiority in Russia's current strategy. A T-72B3M tank crew from Russia's Center Group destroyed a Ukrainian stronghold and mortar unit, impeding assault operations in the Krasnoarmysk region. Aided by drone intelligence, the tank fired 125 Mila shells from an open position to neutralize Ukrainian defenses. The Zapad Group's Tor-M2 anti-aircraft system shot down Ukrainian drones deployed near Russian operational zones, enhancing air security for advancing Russian ground units. This action aligns with Moscow's broader objective of securing airspace against Ukrainian reconnaissance. In further air support operations, Mi-28NM helicopters conducted strikes on Ukrainian armored vehicles and troop positions, working within a mixed tactical group. These helicopter strikes complement Russian ground offensives, aiming to weaken Ukrainian armored capacities near Kursk. Footage from the Russian Ministry of Defense's testing center for advanced unmanned technologies, Rubicon, shows the destruction of Ukrainian armored vehicles by an FPV drone in the Kursk direction. The operation highlights Russia's increasing reliance on advanced drone technology for targeted strikes, enhancing its strategic reach in contested areas along the border.